Oak and Orange is all about taking people on our new home building journeys. We show you the ups and downs of building, we show you how we make our decisions and what factors come into design. I'm Heather.
I'm Sarah.
I'm married to a builder and I have 3 young children.
I'm a mum of 3 and together with Heather we are Oak and Orange.
We started Oak and Orange because we wanted to share our home building journeys.
Together we've built 17 houses, so it just made sense for us to utilise our gifts and our talents in those areas and to share what we do and the design process within that with our audience.
We've been building and designing brand new homes since before we became mums, and along the way what we've learnt is for us it's really important to design homes that are beautiful and comfortable for families to live in, but it's also really important to factor in low maintenance design. Sarah and I have known each other for 15 years, and in that time we've watched each other get married, we've watched each other have 3 children.
We really actually complement each other. We really bounce well off each other's ideas.
She just brings such joy to this team.
From the very groundwork right through completion.
We take you on our entire build process, from floor planning and external material selections to colour selections and material finishes. And hopefully you can learn from our experiences.